Hello, good morning. Welcome to David's Hiking and Fishing. We're up, we're out. It's currently 6:30 a.m. We're at Porth Ysgaden on the Peninsula. Where we're going, we just fish. It's like a natural harbour here. So I'm just going down the rocks down below there and we'll give it a go. You might have to turn your volume down this one because I'm sheltered where I am at the minute, but it's extremely windy down there, so I'm not sure how this video will turn out. So we'll give it a go. If it's too windy, just turn the volume down and hopefully we can catch some fish. So we'll get down, we'll get set up and we'll see how we go on. Right, so we're all set up. Yeah, we're just in the harbour here. We're going back to basics. As a lot of you guys know, I was brought up fishing by my dad. He was a basic fisherman. Single hook, one leg, cast it out and that's it. So I've just done that. I've got a running lead on, single hook, I've got a squid wrap on. I can't fish two rods because obviously it's just not possible here on the rocks. So I'll leave that for a bit. I'm going to set my spinning rod up and we'll have a chuck some pollock as well. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. The wind's not too bad actually, maybe a little bit sheltered here hopefully. So we'll see what we can catch. Hopefully I can show you some fish. If not, I'm definitely going hiking next time. I've been fishing for about 3/4 of an hour now. Cannot get a bite. I've changed my squid bait to a mackerel bait. I've had a go on the spinner, not getting a touch. Where's all the fish gone? They've all gone south for the winter. Just can't get a bite. What's going on? I've actually fished here a couple of times before and I've always caught. And I've got another hour or so yet, an hour and a half, so the hour's on, but we just cannot get a bite! I got up early. You think the fish would get up early just to be pleasant, wouldn't you? Go fish in the bloody ditch. Yeah. Come on. We'll keep trying. So we're just coming up to high tide now. The sun's just coming over the back there. And we still can't get a bite. Oh, hang on, it's just up to high tide. Can't get a bite. The idea of showing a fishing video is to catch some fish, but it's called David's Hiking and Flanking channel. Conditions are right, there's no wind. I can't get a fish. So if you watch this video, I'll edit it and shorten it to about 10 seconds. Can you hit the thumbs down please? You can't put a thumbs up. I'll be going on the spinner. I always catch pollock on the spinner here and I can't even get a pollock. I've never been so happy to catch a dogfish. Give it another half an hour. Oh, the sun's in the eyes now. We'll give it another half an hour and we'll see how we go. If I catch a fish, I'll post it. If not, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. I think I'll probably be hiking. So, thanks very much and bye for now.